The student who has an eye for detail, has strengths in math, science, and art, will find success in advanced manufacturing. The Advanced Manufacturing program provides students with the opportunity to experience the latest in advanced manufacturing process and technology. Students will experience hands-on techniques, which replicate career opportunities in today's advanced manufacturing facilities. Through high-tech programming software, hands-on projects, and state-of-the-art equipment, students will learn the elements of high-value added manufacturing concepts, which include CNC programming, precision measuring, blueprint interpretation, and safe setup and operation of equipment. Students will complete projects from concept to completion with emphasis in CAD, CAM, and CNC, and advanced laser technology. The certifications that you will receive as part of being a student in advanced manufacturing are your MAC WIC 1 and 2, NIMS skills, NC3, and OSHA certifications. As you can see, there are many job opportunities available through having an education in advanced manufacturing. These jobs range from becoming a machinist with your high school trade education, and if you choose to continue your education in this field, you can pursue jobs like becoming a metrology specialist, mechanical engineer, and even a design engineer.